Hello folks, and again welcome to a brand new video of Mr. Pi, and today we have an MIT integration B derivative question. So the derivative of ln sin x plus ln cos x. To solve this question we will do the individual derivative of these terms. So let's begin with derivative of ln sin x with respect to dx. But focus that in the log we have sin x, we must do with respect to sin x first, and using chain rule we will write sin x here d sin x with respect to dx. So we will get it as 1 by sin x, because derivative of x with respect to x will be 1 by x. So derivative of sin x with respect to sin x will be 1 by sin x, and derivative of sin x will be equal to cos x. So we will be getting here cot x. And for the other derivative we have derivative of ln cos x. Again, by the similar method we will just do with respect to cos x, and using chain rule we will write here derivative of cos x with respect to derivative of x. So ln cos x will be 1 upon cos x, and derivative of cos x will be negative of sin x. So minus sin x upon cos x equals to minus 10x. So the required answer is cot x minus 10x. But we can write it in a simple form too. For it we will just take the formula that is cot x equals to cos x minus upon sin x, negative of sin x upon cos x. So this is be cos square x taking LCM minus sin square x upon sin x cos x. If we just divide and multiply by 2 in the denominator, we will get cos square x minus sin square x can be written as cos 2x. Similarly, 2 sin x cos x can be written as sin 2x, and this 2 will go to the upper side, that is 2 cos 2x. So cos upon sin will be equal to cot, so 2 cot 2x. Therefore this will be equivalent to either this or this, and this was the answer. I will like it. If you have any queries below, then do comment down. Thank you.